Companies need to migrate from on-premises solutions to the cloud for flexibility, reliability, better performance, and cost savings. Most on-premises Hyperion deployments can be migrated to run on Oracle Cloud infrastructure without requiring significant configuration, integration, or process changes. Jade Global provides a solution to test and validate the migrated Hyperion applications in Oracle Cloud infrastructure. When clients have an on-premises application having a hard time keeping up with the software and cannot keep up with security patches on servers, they know that means moving away from on-premise applications to Oracle Cloud infrastructure. But how do they achieve it without affecting the business and production activities with greater business efficiency, a proven track record, and little in-house infrastructure required? Oracle Cloud infrastructure was designed to support workloads like Hyperion. OCI delivers higher performance for computing, storage, networking, and managed database instances, resulting in a better experience for your users at a lower cost of operation. Oracle Cloud infrastructure is the only cloud where you can run Hyperion with Oracle RAC or Exadata. Other clouds are limited to less robust configurations. Oracle provides Hyperion-specific tooling and automation to streamline your implementation's deployment, migration, upgrading, and maintenance, thus reducing the time, expertise, risk, and cost of day-to-day operations. There are many benefits that a customer gets by migrating to Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Some of the key benefits include Oracle Cloud infrastructure compute provides bare metal and virtual machine, compute capacity that delivers performance, flexibility, and control without compromise. Manage solutions and applications, not infrastructure. Focus on your core business, not on IT. Improve performance and availability. Reduce business costs. The Jade Cloud Consulting Services help organizations select the right solution that aligns with their business requirements. We offer consulting services for companies to test the migration of the on-premises Hyperion application to Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Are you planning to migrate to the Oracle Hyperion application to OCI, but cannot make any firm decision or have any questions on migration? If yes, talk to our industry experts today, who can help you assess your requirements and suggest the best solution for migrating to Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Connect with Jade's Oracle EPM team today.